In the semicircle below, O is the center and AB is parallel to OC. Prove that the distances BC and CD are equal. So we've been given AB is parallel to OC. So these are parallel. And we have to prove the distance BC and CD are equal. So if I join BC and CD, so that's BC and then CD. And we have to prove that BC equals CD. So to start the proof, we see that OCD is a triangle. So if I can join OB, so all we have to do to prove BC equals CD, we have to prove that triangle BCO is congruent to triangle COD. So then BC would be equal to CD. So to do that, to prove the congruency, we will assume that angle BOC equals X. So we say that if we say let angle BOC equals X degree, then once BOC is X, we can say that angle ABO is also equal to X degree. That is this angle. This is X. And that's because they are alternate angles. As AB is parallel to OC. And also, you see AO equals OB equals OC equals OD because they are all the radius. AO equals OB equals OC equals OD, they are all radius. So triangle ABO is isosceles. And triangle OCD is also isosceles. That doesn't necessarily mean they're equal, but just that stating that they are both isosceles. So we know that ABO is X, so we can say that BAO is also X degree. Angle BAO is also X degree because triangle ABO is isosceles. And therefore, no, let's do this. The other thing we have to prove is if you now look at BAO and if you look at COD, if you look at this angle COD and if you look at angle BAO, they are equal because they are corresponding angles. So angle COD would also be equal to X degree. So angle BAO equals to angle COD equals X degrees. They are both corresponding angles. Therefore, a congruency is proved because two sides and including angle are equal. So we can say triangle BOC is congruent to triangle COD, side angle side congruency. So that means BC should be equal to CD because the two triangles are congruent. So these sides are equal, and of course this side is also equal, but we are concentrating on these two triangles. Sides are equal and the including angle is equal. So BC equals CD.